Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So today we're gonna do a step-by-step dance tutorial of how to do the Rockstar TikTok dance. Okay, so there were so many versions out there for this Rockstar TikTok dance, so I had to choose one version, and that is Charli D'Amelio's version. Now, I know that she said that Addison Rae created the dance, but Charli changed so much of it, so I think it's fair she gets some credit as well. And a big thanks to Blind C as well for creating this awesome song. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Calpana, for being the first one to request it. Okay, so I'm gonna split the dance into two parts. Now, if you are a fast learner, you can always skip to the full dance preview and run through. Okay, so let me just quickly show you the first part that we're about to learn. So it goes I've been trying my own and a boom ha boom boom. Hey, I've been on my Rockstar. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Okay, so let me break it down for you. So, the beginning, you want to take your arms up like a zombie here, and then you want to go bounce, 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 and bounce. From here, sings ah na 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 na. Here you can do whatever you can. Freestyle if you want, or you can just stand still like Charli does, yeah. Look to the side, whatever. From here, you want to say bring your elbow up, left elbow, and you go and up, hit. Yeah, so what I do is I prep, I go up here in the middle, and then I go hit to the left. And then I want to bring my elbow down, and then I want to open my hand here, and then go ha. Yeah. So let's just try that again from the tip top. We go zombie, zombie, zombie. Then there's a pause, and then you go hit with your elbow to the left, and then breathe. And then you want to do the same to the right, so you go hit, prep up, and then hit right, bring your elbow down, and then go breathe. Yeah? Let's just try that again from the top. We go zombie, zombie, zombie. Stop, pause, pause, pause. Then we go prep left elbow to the side, and then down, breathe, and then with the right elbow prep to the side, down, breathe. Now, you're not doing stop, 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 stop. It's in one motion and stop, and then one motion, breathe. Yeah, so it's stop and breathe. Just think of it like that. Stop and breathe. So let's just try again from the top. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go and so on, yeah? So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go bounce and a bounce and a bounce. Stop, pause, pause, pause. We go elbow left, hit, and breathe, and right, and breathe. Okay, so right after breathe, breathe, you wanna say left goes prep, and then hit your hip, and then you go right, and then hit your hip. Yeah, some say swing up, swing up, hit. Yeah, let's just try that. Left, hit, right, hit. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left, hit, right, hit. Yeah, now if you want, you can do this hip thing here. Yeah, where you go swing, side, swing, side. So it's as if you're hitting your hip to the other side. So we go whoop, whoop. Let's just try that one more time. Left, right. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go prep, left, prep, right. Okay, so right after you go hit, left, hit, right. You want to bring your left up and go pistol here. And then you want to cross over with your right, like that. And then you want to pull down and say bang. Yeah? So let's just rewind a bit. So we just did hit left, hit, right, now it's left, pistol, right, pistol, and then go pull elbows down. Yeah? Okay, so let's just try and practice that. We're gonna go a bit back and go from hip, hip, pistol, pistol, bang. Yeah? So I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start from here. Yeah? 5, 6, 7, A, we go left, hit, right, hit, left, pistol, right, pistol, and a pull. Let's just try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left, hip, right, hip, left, pistol, right, pistol, and a bang. Alright, let's just do the last part as well. So right after boom, 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 from here, right after you pull down and back up, you go around, back down here. Yeah, so let me just show again. Left, right, pull elbows down, go back up, and then just bring them down. Yeah, because from here you want to continue and go up to your head. Yeah, so it goes click, click, bang, and then I'll be on mine. From here, you just bring them down, get ready for the next one, and go Rockstar. Yeah? Do it however you want. And then you want to go shh. Yeah? So let's just rewind a bit. We just said wah, pistol, pistol, bang, bring them down and around, up to your head, and go I've been on mine, and then you go Rockstar. Okay, so let's practice the transition. So let's go from here. We want to go bang. I've been on my rock star. Alright, so I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go bang. I've been on my rock star. Okay, let's try one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go bang. I've been on my rock star. Alright guys, let's do it from the tip to top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. Okay, so from the tip to top, it goes zombie, 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 and I pause. Pause, from here we hit left elbow, hit, and breathe, right elbow, hit, and breathe. From here you wanna swing left, hit, right, hit, and then left pistol, right pistol, bang, up, around, down, up to your head, say, ah, na, na. From here, rock, star, and then shh. And let me just show you the timing as well. It goes, wah, 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 wah. Na, 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 and boom, ha, boom, ha, boom, boom, click, click, bang. I've been on my rock star. Shh. Alright guys, now let's practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start slow. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Wah, 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 wah. Na, 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 na. And boom, ha, boom, ha. Hips, hips, click, click, bang. I've been on my rock star. Shh. Let's try that again, a bit faster. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Ring, 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 ring. Ah, na, 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 na. And boom, ha, boom, ha. Hip, hip, pistol, pistol, bang. I've been on my rock star. Shh. And one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Ring, 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 ring. Up and down and on and on. And boom, ha, boom, ha, boom, boom. Click, click, bang. I've been on my rock star.